Hi, I'm Eileen and I'm with Vases for You. If you have never seen the amazing foldable reusable flower vase, I'm going to show you a demonstration on how they're used. They come in a very nice presentation package like this, so they can be given as a gift without flowers, just as it is. When you get it home, all you have to do is take it out of the package. And I usually suggest starting with some warm water. That helps to open up the bottom of the vase. And then just play with it for a minute until you feel it open. After that, you pour out the warm water and just put in some cool water for your flowers. Don't have to fill it all the way up, because you can always add water to it later. I usually do about a third. Now, if your flowers are too long, you of course have to trim them to the size that you want. Mine are already trimmed. So I'm just going to put these in the vase, like that. These vases were developed with an antibacterial material that does not leak, made for fresh flowers. However, if you like, you can use them with silks, but all you have to do is put in some stones or some marbles to weight the bottom of the vase, and then you put your silk flower over. I also love bamboo, so I have around my house several vases filled with bamboo. And here, I'm almost done. Put in a little baby's breath. Right in the middle. A little more green. And there. All ready. Just check it once in a while. If you need to add water, you can add water to it. And these are some of the patterns that the vases come in. Lots of beautiful colors. Very easy. Thank you.